Your baby needs you. It needs to be close to you for security and comfort. But sometimes you need both hands free, and that's when you need Didymos, the original baby sling designed by Erica Hoffman. Your baby will be really happy that you have chosen the sling. Now it can be next to you all the time and be part of everything you are doing from right up close. We're going to show you lots of ways to tie the Didymos sling according to the age and particular needs of your child. A newborn baby can be carried lying down, but before long your baby will want to be carried in an upright position, and that time often comes sooner than you expect. Because carrying your baby at the front is especially important, you will find that most of our carrying techniques, both for very small babies and for toddlers, are for this position. Later on, you'll probably find it better to carry your child on your hip, or on your back. And in this way, you'll even be able to carry home a child of 3 who's worn out after a day's hiking. Didymos baby slings are made of 100% organic cotton. A few slings are also made of hemp, linen or wool. All dyes used are free of heavy metals and are resistant to saliva. And the fabric is absolutely free of toxins. We guarantee this by regular testing and quality control. Now, in order for a flat piece of fabric to fit around a baby, it has to be diagonally elastic. In addition, it must be durable, so that it will continue to support your child safely. Thanks to our special combination of different yarns, our particular method of weaving and double edging, this is exactly the quality we achieve. The sling's fabric retains its shape and condition even when it has been washed and used over and over again. What's more, many Didymos slings are woven using an intricate jacquard weave. The patterns are visible on both sides, not just printed on one side of the cloth. The materials used are extremely soft and fine. And most important of all, the jacquard weave is more elastic than any other. Knots. For all of the different carrying techniques, you can tie the Didymos sling using a simple double knot. However, the reef knot is much flatter, which makes the sling more comfortable. We'll show you the reef knot using 2 different coloured slings. The first knot and the second one in reverse. There you go. Again, the first one and the second in reverse. Don't worry, this is not a sailing course. A normal double knot is fine for all the carrying techniques too. It's just not as flat. This brochure with instructions on how to tie the sling comes with every Didymos baby sling. It's also available in English or French. The cradle. Using a flat reef knot, tie your Didymos sling into a sash that reaches approximately from your shoulder down to your waist, and push the knot behind your back. Rest your baby onto your free shoulder. Pull the sling over your baby's back and let it slip gently into the Didymos sling. Finally, pull the outside edge down over your shoulder. Alternatively, tie the sling and spread it out on the table. Lie your baby down flat into the sling. Then take the Didymos sling by the knot and slip your head and one arm through the sash without picking the baby up. Now straighten up carefully and, if necessary, pull the knot lower down on your back. The sling is in the correct position and the baby's weight will be spread more evenly if you cross the sling over your shoulder and pull a bit of the outer edge down over your upper arm. If your baby falls asleep while being carried, just slip carefully out of the sling and cover your child with it gently. For these two variations on the cradle, the sling is only tied once and need not be untied. In the first example, you put the sling over your shoulder and the child is in an upright position with its head resting on your shoulder where the sling is. In the second example, the baby is in a more horizontal position with its head on the opposite side.